Am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay. So recording is started now. So we just resume. हाँ बेटा रुको हम काम कर लें थोड़ा सा। हाँ हम खाना फिनिश कर लिए। अब मम्मी के पास जाओ काम कर ले ना।
आपकी कौन आने वाला है?
कोई नहीं अब जाओ तो इधर इसको ले जाओ।
आपकी कौन आने वाला है?
कोई नहीं जाओ।
कौन आने वाला है?
कोई नहीं।
कौन आने वाला है आपका?
कोई नहीं।
आपकी कौन आने वाला है?
देखो भैया है वहाँ पे। देखो भैया स्टडी कर रहा है। बोलो हाय भैया बोलो। हाय भैया बोलो। बोलो हाय भैया।
कौन सा इसका क्या नाम है?
भैया का नाम है साजिद। बोलो हाय भैया।
हाय।
हाय।
देखा बोलो भैया। जाओ मम्मी के पास जाओ।
उनको मम्मी बुलाई अभी आती हूँ।
हाँ ओके यार। सो is it is visible now na correct?
Yes.
So yesterday we were understanding the filter. Okay, so let me just summarize where I was actually. I just forget actually. Okay, we had made only one filter, correct?
Yes.
So this is our filter we created and we had a validation. Let me run it. फिर उसके बाद what we do, we just have some APIs for this. अच्छा we'll start. अच्छा let me first okay, let me first set up this one. So we'll just do, I think this is this one yours or what? No, I think this one. Okay, let me see again. It is running for what? Mention port number. I'll take one. And this okay, product one. I think product one only. Yeah, that will be there. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see the controller. Get. What was that controller? What we have? Post mapping. Okay, only post mapping we have and body for this. Okay. This post mapping and body or JSON ID. Suppose and the name is the name and our name is suppose product is e-test and headers we need to pass token, correct? 1 2 3 4 5, otherwise I think now it should work. Still 400 is coming. We had added manually or what? This product is successfully added. Product controller. Okay, we were throwing the bad request only, na?
Yeah. Yesterday.
Correct. So don't throw now. Let's add this. Document it like a string. Okay, and goes to our controller now. Product controller. Product controller. That will make as a string type. Okay, and that is fine. All good. Now let us see. Okay, so if I not pass this token, we'll get the issue, correct?
Okay.
Now this is only one filter we added. Okay, this one is product auth filter, correct? So what I do now, we'll understand the concept of the filter chain. What's that? Etc. Okay. That one I think yours only. No. already quit. Chalo. And so one thing before going to filter chain, I just wanted to show one thing. Cheers. Yeah. So this one are modules, na? So right now we are at the Spring
Sir,
MVC.
please share this module to me also.
Yeah.
I don't have this.
Okay, I'll share. So this right now we are at the module 3, correct?
Okay.
And we are now doing this controller request. This will start now, REST API and all those. See here, filter and everything is not mentioned, but this is necessary because
Okay.
this is just like overview understanding, means the main topics, na?
Okay.
Which is like generally people uses those all. So after MVC, once the Spring MVC actually already like we understood the Spring MVC based on without REST controller, correct? We created our controller layer and APIs. Understood Spring MVC? With the servlet we created our app. You forgot? This one. This one. I think you forget now. There?
Yeah.
You forget or not?
No, there is a lot of background noise there, so I cannot.
Oh, sorry. 1 second.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. I think. Hold on. How's now? It's okay?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Let me check. Network is there or not? 1 second. Okay. Chalo. Now. It's okay now?
Yeah, now it's okay.
Okay. So what I was saying, where this. Where's the one? What's PDF? This must be. Okay. Let me zoom it out. So, so right now we understood the Spring MVC based on the controller. Controller means just only we did not create the REST controller. We just created controller.
Controller.
This one. Hold on. This one. Controller layer we created, and this one our UI. We hit this one version v1. So we rendered this /home. If you see now, I think you're forgetting. Let's do. What was that?
It is good practice to use REST controller instead of controller because the response body is going to get if you use controller any type, right?
Your voice is not clear actually. Seems echo.
Yeah, I'm telling. We are using controller instead of controller. We can also use REST controller, isn't it? And if we use the controller, then it can give us any type of written type in the response body. But for but for REST controller, if we give input as a for example, whatever input request body we are going to give, the same response body we are going to get. Is it correct?
How I explain? Because these two are both different concept, and what you understood, it's completely mixing up actually.
Okay.
So let me go one by one. See,
Okay.
first actually wait. First, let me open the what we just implemented till now with the help of the controller that will implement now. One second. What was the port number? Our 8083
8083
slash v1. What is set? Deo. So it won't work, na? Because controller, home controller for the
SIT.
so we need to implement the
SIT.
either SIT or Deo. Chalo SIT. Okay, now port will be changed. Slash v1 slash controller home. v1 slash home we have written home. Okay, product slash home. Localhost full colon, anything wrong, I'm just doing slash v1 request mapping came. Okay, slash home. And this is active SIT. This we said sorry, SIT and the port number is also correct, but it's not picking.
The port number is 8084 now.
No, for SIT 8084. Okay.
Okay.
Product controller, home controller. So home controller में v1 slash home slash about. Server is running. Yeah. Did we miss anything? Need to check it again. Let's comment on this for now. I think it does not have any impact, but let's comment. And the controller, home controller, all good. DB URL, it's not. Let me add a breakpoint, then we will see. Home controller. रुको पापा काम कर ले. It's not even triggering. It's not even set up. What happened? Why it's not even triggering? Port 8084. It's not even thing. Localhost 8084 slash unauthorized. Oh, maybe because of the filter. I think till filter we have some. Arey yaar, I think. Wait. We added filter na. So filter we had condition. Okay. That is why it's unauthorized. Now it will work. Let's add the breakpoint here as well. So let's see now. Okay, working. Here will also work. Working. What now?
Yeah.
So see, this is our controller. Actually, we implemented. This is whole MVC. MVC we have understood long back, like 2-3 classes back only. Nah?
Yeah.
We implemented this all scenario. So this is part of the MVC. Okay.
So the problem was with the token. We were giving token.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
were not giving token.
Sorry. I just commented that comment and I just added that comment actually. See, this is the get request HTML, correct?
Yes.
From HTML and get request, we cannot give this request. We cannot give as a header or anything. We need to use some kind of client. Understood?
Okay.
So that is why we use like any mobile application, web application, or like Postman and all, just requesting and everything. Otherwise, I need to change all of the request and everything. Okay.
Okay.
So so this we were actually on the syllabus now. So once again, so here this one we done. Okay, controller till controller, and here now we is starting kind of see Spring 1 MVC only we are understanding, but we are understanding more detail, like what is a filter. Again, in next classes we'll understand what is the interceptor. These are like very important. Then they will go through probably today we'll start only REST API and request mapping and all that, and these are validation, exception handling. Then we'll go through one by one these all. Okay. And here only we have two more topics. See, profiles and everything, this one done. Profiling, you understood profiling and all.
Yeah.
So in this we have two main things, like one I just forget actually to mention here, AOP. Okay, one AOP. Second thing, interceptor filter, that also has to be done. See, this is like single topic. This is easy one, like 15-minute topic, 15 minutes. These are like not big deal. Exception handling, max to max, half an hour topics. D2 design, max to max, half an hour topic. But interceptor filter, this is core of the servlet. Without servlet, you cannot enter to Spring MVC. Okay. So servlet, we understood what's a servlet, how it, and you remember that day when I showed the images yesterday.
Yeah.
In my Notion it was there. So after this we'll move to database layer. Okay. Here we'll understand the JDBC one, and then JPA.
Okay.
Then our security. And security, as usual, first basic security, auth, JWT, then OAuth.
Okay.
Probably OAuth all will see. Okay, and then we start the journey of the microservices.
Okay.
Got it? See, syllabus, if you see anywhere, na, syllabus is not as there, but you need to understand. See, what is REST API? It's very easy, man. Don't go there.
Yeah.
Database calling just like one day class. Don't. But these many things make you like so longer. If you don't know the basic, this is main thing. That's why we are emphasizing this many understanding on those as well. Okay, chalo.
Okay.
So that day. Now see, if you see, let me just do our close it here. Add the filter first again, because I am now using the REST one. So and SIT, let it be SIT only. Let 0 SIT only. Okay, here it was there something na dev only. Okay, and dev profile 8083. 8083, I think this one. This one. Let me just start. Unauthorized, because of the token we are not giving. Correct.
Yeah.
Chalo. Now we are set. Okay. Now in the journey of the Spring filter, okay, we have understood the filter. What's the filter? Okay. Now there is one more concept in filter, that is filter chaining.
Okay.
See where it's coming. What people are explaining. See, in the Spring Boot.
Spring Boot.
This you almost clear for it. Na?
Yeah.
Filter you got. Once the interceptor comes, after these topics, I start the journey of the REST API, and then I'll cover the interceptor in probably next Saturday. Okay. So they are creating the filter. Now you know how you do filter and all you creating. Okay?
Yes.
Now we go to the topic of the filter chaining. See. Okay. This is filter chaining. They implemented actually. So now I just want to explain you what's filter. You understand the filter? Can you explain me what's a filter?
Filter is a property where we basically provide security and security check in the REST API.
No, not. You cannot say in a REST API. In normal controller as well, Spring controller as well. Okay. So now filter, where filter comes? As per image, where filter comes?
Service class.
No. Where filter comes? as per our request and response journey of the any API, where filter comes.
Okay, it comes in between the client and dispatch server.
Exactly. The first stage is filter. Then after filter, it goes to dispatch servlet. Now dispatch servlet will decide at which controller I need to redirect.
Okay.
And even though before dispatch servlets, there is like just forgetting model. What was that? What was the name? Yeah. One more component was there, na, for a Spring component, the model or something, model mapping or something. I was forgetting the name. So it was there actually. Okay. Then we goes to controller. So before reaching the controller, we have at least three layers.
Three layers.
Chalo. Now we start the journey of the filter chaining. See, filter is what? Filter is just for adding as a gateway. Okay.
Okay, it's a gateway.
It's a gateway for our for the request.
For the request.
It's a simple way. It's gateway as a simple gateway as our request. Now that will define that mostly that will define. See, that day I think I did not note down or what.
I think it is in some other.
Wait, actually here if you see, we implemented.
No, I think you have made it in a diagram, but this.
Yeah, correct. You're right. So, right, you're right. So see here, what we do.
Go into the diagram, you'll find in the down. I think so. You made it somewhere.
Yeah, I remember. Leave it. No worries. We write again. So what I was just saying. Right now we implemented yesterday we implemented three things. First one, what was that? To getting the response and request time, how much time it will take.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
With the wait and all.
Yeah.
Second thing, we implemented each request ID. With each request, I need to track the request ID.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And third one, what? Third one, we added like logging and kind of adding filtration.
Okay.
With the help of token.
Okay. Login.
Means logging means just a printing. Logging means logging means
logs ID and time taken by the request.
Correct. So we understood the three scenarios. Let me just note down. We understood the three scenarios. Okay. So first one we did logging. Logging means simple logging. Simple logging means whatever in request. See, if you see here, in request we have URI, we have method. What kind of URI request we are hitting? What kind of method we are hitting? That we can get as a metadata.
Okay.
Correct? This is one kind of filter as well that we'll implement now. Now we, in this this is all combined. We combined actually. But industry oriented people, what we do, they just do model addition of the filter. A small chunk of the filter they do. Multiple filter. Okay? So now we see logging. Logging we did what? These two methods we call. This and metadata kind of. One scenario. Data. Okay? Data. One scenario. What was the second scenario? With each request,
there should be one dedicated ID.
Correct. Request, we have request ID. Okay? And third one?
How much time it taken by the request?
Correct.
To get response.
Time taken by each request you may say, to fulfill. Correct?
Okay.
These three scenarios we have we seen. Correct? Now, as well as here, while this one, while logging actually, here only we added kind of validation. Validation for what? With help of the token. Token based validation. Correct? Here only. While logging, in logging we just got oh, in header you are having this many. So see, in our request only we are having this one. Same in our request we have header only, token, this key we just added, correct? The key added.
Yes.
So that key we are just validating. If it is that key, we need to pass the to this filter chain, correct? Otherwise we just throw it back. Otherwise request one will not fulfill. Okay.
Okay.
Now suppose in real application there must not be only one filter, there must be tons of the filter. Okay,
Okay.
maybe 1, 2, 20, we don't know, depend on scenarios. Okay, so how you handle the multiple that filter?
With the help of filter chain.
Correct. So that is called as a filter chaining.
Okay.
Filter chaining. So now we see here one filter. Okay, we can have like
Why we require the filter chain if one filter is not sufficient for the program to
exactly.
test the security?
Good question. Suppose I write a method, nah? Suppose one method I just created for the logging, and another method I created for the login the user. Second to adding the database insertion. You know the solid principle in programming?
I don't remember.
Okay, fine. So solid principle, the first term is what? Single responsibility principle.
Yeah.
Okay. What it says? It says each class should be have only one responsibility.
Okay.
Correct? In our industry as well, like whatever the, see like filter value, I'm just taking it. Filter is what? It's just a class.
Okay.
Filter is
So
what?
for every screen or every page, you mean to say that for
No. Still you are okay. You carry on. Then I'll
No,
make
I
you
mean
wrong.
to say that if we, let's say for login, we are requiring one filter. So we have put one filter on that. Now again, if for example during checkout, we require again new filter. You mean to say the existing filter is not going to work for that? I mean to say.
Means you are saying for each request we have single filter.
Yeah.
Wait.
No. In each request we require single filter. That is correct. I mean to say that why the filter chain is required. The single filter can't be reused again and again. I mean to say.
Wait. Correct. That is your question is right. But see, if now I created a where is that? Product controller. Correct. This one I created a product controller. Now I create a. Suppose I creating in product में suppose wishlist controller. Correct? @ just controller @ request mapping p1 / wishlist. Okay, I'm just writing only one. I'm not writing the service. I'm just writing only one controller. Give wishlist. Fine. @ get mapping. Okay.
Okay.
So what do you think if I hit this? So will it call the same filter or not? If I suppose I'm just running this one. Let me run it. Now we started almost the journey of the REST API. Not saving here. I need to not save. Okay, product. Here is what wishlist. Spelling.
पापा
हाँ बेटा चलेंगे. अभी रेडी हो जाओ.
अरे मैं तो रेडी हूँ.
अच्छा ठीक है रुको.
मिकी माउस वाले कपड़े पहन के जाऊंगी, ऐसे ही जाऊंगी.
अच्छा ठीक है. So you are seeing this now. I getting this one as a URL, correct?
Okay. Yeah.
This is our request mapping,
Yeah.
and this is our get mapping for this,
Yeah.
correct? This I'm just trying to hit. So what do you think? Will it be hit the same filter or not?
No, it is not hitting the same filter. That is why unauthorized is coming.
Okay. I have to use the break for once again. Are we doing okay? This is coming fine. Okay, it's coming here. Same filter.
Yes.
Huh? This URL I hit wish list one. It's came to same filter, but we made something wrong. That is why it's not able to access. Let's see what is wrong. Token null equal to true
Yeah.
means
So token we have given in the previous time also we have given it as a null. By default it acts as a null only. Na, if you won't give a token.
wait. That is right. See here we are having value, correct? But here earlier we did not pass, so it was taking the value as a null. Okay, now
Yeah.
I make it. It is coming here,
Yeah.
but taking as a null.
Yeah.
Why it's taking as a null? You know why? Are we passing anything here?
No.
That is why. Did not understand. Wait. Let me remove the breakpoint. This is our request. This is our headers. This is
Yeah.
our body. That we'll see later. Don't be worried. In
Yeah.
Postman only, na. Once I'll explain you what's component for this and all. So don't be worried. I'm just for now. I'm just taking one scenario only, filter one. That is I'm just taking. So don't get confused. My purpose is now to show you the understanding of the filter only. Okay. Chalo. Now I'm just hitting. It's got the value.
Yes.
Same filter.
Yes.
Now it has a value for token, correct? It will go returning value is list.
No.
Arey, see na, breakpoint came na.
Yeah.
Now you see.
Yeah. Now we are using the same filter, but why the concept of coming chain filter?
Okay, now you are asking why the concept is coming for the multiple filter, na?
Yes. Yes.
Wait. That is my see. This filter we are writing,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
And as I suppose I am a developer,
Mm-hmm.
okay? This many code I can write in a single file, maybe 1,000 line, single class.
Okay.
As a developer, it's okay.
Yeah.
But okay, there is no issue. Correct?
Yes.
But suppose here, if I say you, just for understanding, once again, this till here, what it doing? Till here only. Line number 21, suppose 21. What it doing? The purpose of this one? Just for the logging, the request and response.
Yeah.
And here what we are doing? We are validating the request.
Yeah. Validating the request.
Two different purpose. Na?
Yeah.
It is violating the single responsibility principle. as a class. Class is serving to different requests to a different purpose.
Okay.
I think not understanding. Confusion, huh?
No.
See, your perspective is right. We can write multiple in a single filter. We can write 1,000 of the scenarios. No issue. Okay. See, filter is two kind of. So like, see, now I go more back actually.
No,
Now,
it's like two-way authentication. You need to say that for filter chain.
sorry.
Filter chain is just like two-way authentication.
Nah. Wait. Filter chain is just like normal concept only. I'll just tell you one thing. See, in programming, okay, we are having methods or functions.
Yes.
So how many types of method or function exist in programming? Generic. There is two types. One is user defined. One is system function.
Yes.
Nah?
Yes.
So like, see, if I do filter is what? Do filter
Generic
is
function.
huh?
Generic function.
Generic function, but it is kind of system defined, you may say. It is
Yeah,
not
yeah.
custom. It is not user defined. I did not define this
it's
one.
not a user defined.
Correct. Nah?
Yeah.
This is custom defined. Right now?
Yeah.
So same thing. This filter I created. This
Yes.
product auth filter we created.
Yes.
We can write 1,000 of scenarios, 1,000 of code in a single filter. There is no issue.
Okay.
But suppose some filter which is Spring already created. See, always remember in mind HLD every time. If you go anywhere, if you work on any project or anything, now always remember the HLD. Don't look for the LLD. LLD is what? LLD, you can find out most of the things you can find out Google, or you can just find out just asking by maybe documentation reading or something. LLD can be done. HLD cannot be done. Remember.
Okay.
HLD, your brain. Always think about your brain has to create the HLD.
Okay.
LLD you can find, man. You can, if you prepare the HLD, LLD can be done. Okay, always keep in the tech industry. So same thing. HLD is what here I'm just saying. This is our client. Client made a request / something. It goes to dispatch servlet. Okay. But before that, it came to the multiple round of the filters. Now see, I'll go one by one now. Client came to filter one. Filter one means here just logging the filter means I just need what kind of request. Okay. What kind of URL I'm just setting. Just only I'm just logging only filter. After this task done, it will call this method again. Filter chaining dot do filter. If I don't call it, it won't go anywhere. Our request will be just stuck. It will just stuck in an infinite loop. You know the programming infinite loop?
Yeah.
The same thing, it is stuck anywhere, it won't go. After their task done, it will give to another filter, do filter. Then that one done, it will goes to do filter. If nothing after that, suppose in our application we are using only two filter. The moment I called after two filter, after second filter I called the do filter, it will always goes to display servlet. From display servlet, it will model mapper will be there. It will no model. I'm just forgetting the name here. Model. That's part of this one. So it will be look to that one. From there, it's identify which controller to go. From controller to again service. From service to DAO, and then again come back. Come back this one, then controller, then display, then filter back, then client response.
Okay.
This is the cycle. And this cycle you need to keep in mind. You need to explain in a. They will ask more deeper actually about this one only.
Okay.
See, people is having understanding of the good Spring and all, they will deep dive in the chapter, filter, servlet a lot, rather than just Spring Boot. Okay. Chalo. Now we'll move to filter chaining. So now I'm just creating two filter. Okay. First one product filter for this one, just for the logging, product auth filter suppose. And now I'm just creating product log filter. Means filter. Okay. And here we have 3 methods. That is also interview question, and you remember. Here we have 3 methods. Once again, it's not coming. Do logger. Am I doing wrong? Do filter, why it's not coming? Public class. I think, oh yeah, I said you na. See, we need to implement the server one, servlet one. Remember yesterday I just explained you. We have multiple name of the filters.
Yeah,
We
yeah.
need to implement servlet one. Now it will come the 3 methods. Okay.
Do filter.
But we need to implement do filter. This also you can do. That is not needed. In our most of the time we use do filter only. This is just for the life cycle. Okay, do filter.
Okay.
Same concept. I just cutting it from there. 1 second. In my header, I get the servlet. Where? Where is my auth? This only I create. See, here we have three parameters for this. One the request, one the response, one after this where I just want to pass filter chain.
Yeah.
Okay. So here we are just converting as a to HTTP servlet request, so that we can understand with the help of the HTTP. HTTP has like headers, body, response body, request body, and all things. So our servlet can be mapping with the HTTP one. Now header, I'm just cutting it then here. I don't need this one now. Leave it this as it is. Token, where is our token? It is also cutting. Okay, I am getting the value of the token now. So if you want to return it, otherwise no need. Unnecessary, okay, so leave it, no worries. And after do filter, once the task is done, we'll grab the original request. Do filter, original this, and original servlet response. Whatever. Do filter. Oh, sorry, filter chain dot do filter. We need to add na filter chain dot do filter, and here we need to pass request, to pass response. That's it. Fine. And we make it clean. Let's make it clean. That is our log. Actually, we made on log we created auth. Acha, did wrong actually. This we need to cut the log for na. Okay. Auth request ID, it's asking. So this all I'm just cutting it from here. This all this. Make it simple. This is for the validation.
Papa,
बेटा
मैं छोटी बहन का नाम है श्रेया का नाम है।
अच्छा
हाँ। क्या हुआ मम्मी?
All good. Any error? This is our the logging. Rest all I'm just commenting it out. No? This code I'm just keeping as it is, and rest all I'm just commenting out. This should become earlier. This one. This also is commenting. This also not needed here. Commenting. Fine. This will be for logging. Rest of all I'm just creating this comment. Auth. Okay, now see, I just made it more clear. This is for the authentication only, where we are just identifying our token should be here, and this is for the just logging. Correct?
Okay.
Clear? Correct, na?
Yeah.
So now see, this is our product auth. Correct? Now I am just removing this. Now I'm not creating the Spring object for this, the IOC I'm not giving this one. So now you tell me, if I run my application, will it filter work or not? Will filter will be validating or not?
Okay.
Wishlist is also working and product is also working. Filter should work or not? This is our auth filter. The moment I add the component, then only it should work. Correct? You understood or not?
No, could you please read once more?
Okay. See now. See, go for the beginning now. We created earlier we have just only one filter.
Okay.
Now I did nothing. I just created two different filter. I just separate out the logic. One for the logging and one for the authentication.
Okay.
Till here is clear?
This is for the logging.
One for the logging means just for the logging on the console.
This is for authentication. This
No,
code
this
is for authentication, right?
This is for logging, this one.
No. Upper one. First
Upper
one
one,
was for
correct.
authentication.
This is authentication, correct.
Here we have given the do filter request and the response servlet. Okay. And we have used the token and we call the do filter method with the help of filter chain object. Okay, now in log filters, we have again do filter function, and then we are calling VR sysout.
Go ahead.
What is this? How we are going to understand that the logs have been created?
Sorry, what has to be understood?
Logs has been created. How we are going to verify it? Here we can verify that the log has been created.
Yeah, it will be on console only.
Okay.
Sys out na? Just on console. See, @component. Correct?
Okay.
Product auth is commenting. Now this filter will work.
Okay.
We see now. Let's run it.
Show me in the console. I just want to see that.
Yeah, exactly. Yesterday also we did the same thing. Just today we are understanding the filter chaining. I think you are not able to relate. Confusion, huh? Ask. No worries. Ask. See, it's printed in console.
Okay.
This is our request. This is type of the request.
Okay.
It's coming from the log filter.
Log filter.
Why it's coming? Because I just enabled log filter. I did not enable the auth filter.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, got your point.
Correct?
Yeah.
Here I am just logging. What is logging? What is the URL?
URL.
Okay. The request URL. And what
Yeah.
type of method? Method
What
is
is the
post.
method?
See now, I think delete option. Where is the delete option? I just forget here. Where is the delete option? We had none delete option to clear it.
Yeah, down.
This one.
Click on the right arrow at the bottom left only.
This one.
Yeah.
I think this generally it was here, na, till yesterday. They moved it maybe. Don't know. Okay. See now. This also I am just calling. Correct. For this also we'll get.
Okay.
Means single filter is working for all APIs.
Okay.
So filter is single source of truth. Okay.
Okay.
In other language, in other concept, you will understand the advisor. Spring has multiple things. You keep on get confused.
We have created a class for filter chain.
Huh?
We have created a class for filter chain.
No, not for filter chain. We are creating class for the filter, custom filter.
Class for the custom filter.
See, this is our custom filter, product
Yeah.
log filter. This is our product auth filter.
Okay.
This
no,
week-
we are calling the function do filter with the help of object filter chain. So from where that filter chain is coming?
This filter chain
Yeah.
is parameter here. It have as I told na, this method has 3 parameter: request,
Okay.
response, and this is the next. It is nothing much. Next filter it is saying.
Okay.
It has description for the next filter where I need to give, when I need to go. See, here request came first filter, and then filter chain. This filter chain will be associated. From here I am just seeing I need to go here, and after this, if there is no, see, Spring is smart enough to identify. After this there is no filter, so it will go to this space rotate.
Okay.
Got
Yeah,
my point?
understood.
Though see, there is in Spring Boot. I was just showing you one thing as well. Spring head. There. See now. You heard about this all? Advisor term.
Yeah, these are the concept of AOP, right?
POP or AOP? First thing.
AOP.
Okay. And not only AOP. See, they are saying in AOP. It is not even Spring Advisor is nothing but, you may say, advisor says I'll be the centric thing.
Yeah.
Everything will be come to me. Okay? Behavior wise, filter is different.
Okay.
But the same thing, but just for your understanding, I'm just saying. See, behavior wise, both are having different role. Filter has different role, advisor has different role, different purpose to serve. Okay?
Yeah.
But the same thing they are saying in your entire application. Suppose there is like 10 HTML request, 10 HTTP requests is there. Okay? All requests will come, all requests has to go through filter only.
Okay.
Same thing advisor is also saying. All requests has to go through me only. An interceptor. You are seeing a lot of confusing terms, confusing words.
One more question I want to ask. Is filter chain is a method or is an object or is a class?
Nothing. Filter chain, just see. Filter chain here if you see.
Yeah.
Correct? What's they are saying?
Interface.
Leave it now. Leave
Okay.
it now. Leave it now. The purpose of filter chain just connecting multiple filter.
Okay. Yeah.
Got na?
Yeah, I agree.
Now you forget about the classes interface. Don't go.
Yeah.
You serve the purpose. The purpose of filter chain is connecting where I want to go.
Yeah. Okay.
Na?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we go. Now you seeing na? All is
Yeah.
coming on this filter only.
Yeah.
Now I have only 2 requests. Suppose I have 10 requests. Everyone has to go through this only.
Mhm.
Now the magic will come. I'll go slowly to just understand what you think. Suppose now every time what I am just doing, I am just enabling either this filter or this filter. If you just saw it, enabling means what? See, Now,
Both.
now see, wait. Now request is coming to this filter.
Yeah.
Arey, this
No.
does it have any tokens? I
No,
just
it is
see without
is
token also it's working.
commented, no?
Ah, see without this is commented. So will
Yeah.
our request will go through this filter?
No.
No, we need to enable. Okay.
Okay.
Now you see both is enabled.
Yeah.
Correct.
Yes.
Now I'll show you the practically. Go here. Okay. Log what we name we given product log filter. Okay, let me make it this too. I can make it selected. Okay, for now this is product log filter. Make it smaller. Chalo. And second one, what we have?
Auth
Product auth filter.
field.
Correct?
Yes.
We have in our application now we are using only two filter. Now you tell me which will run first and how they connect with each other. Now first tell me how they connect with what is that
First authentication will
wait. What will how they connect each other? First you tell me this one. How from client how it's coming to this one. First you tell me. From client request how it's coming to this one. Forget about the name. Suppose filter A is there, filter B is there. For now, how it's coming to here? You first tell me. With which help?
with the request.
How request is coming to filter only. Now first you tell me.
With the help of this and REST API.
No. Why REST API? See, this is only REST API. Client is what hitting? Client is hitting the REST API.
Yes.
Client does not know my application. Client just know this simple URL.
Yeah.
Nah? Client just hitting the URL, and from URL we implemented there is filter. Okay, so Spring knows. Okay, chalo. Before dispatch alerts, I have to go through filter. Okay, but now a question: if there is only one filter, Spring will know that this has to go. But if there is multiple filter, how Spring will know which filter has to trigger first? First question.
Yes.
Wait. Now the second question is there. Suppose somehow we identify this is the first. Suppose this product is first and product auth is second. Suppose we identify how they are connecting. Suppose from client to filter it's called. Suppose it will call with help of the filter interface. That is fine. But how they are
connecting through filter chain only, but I
Exactly.
don't know how they are going to, based on which priority they are going to get
why I am here?
active.
Why I am here? I'll give you solution. Don't worry. But now first you understood now how they are connecting.
Yeah, they are connecting through filter chain.
The filter chain one, correct? Filter chain dot do filter. If you do again, do filter is what? Do filter is
Function.
No, function. That is right. Not function. Always use method.
Okay, method.
Again, you hit me to go back. What is difference between function and method? Now you tell. Tell me the difference.
It's a common way of speaking. Function, method, both are same.
I explained you in a first class only. You forget? Always in oops paradism there is like method. There is nothing function. Remember. Function oriented programming. If you heard about the functional oriented programming, if you heard. Function, that is function oriented. In object oriented, always use the method. Don't function. Okay. Chalo. Always correct the technical terms. You are a tech person, not a product owner. Chalo.
Okay.
Now we focus on this. Chalo. Where we were? Just forget actually. So see it. suppose I hit the request from client, hit the /URL something, correct? Now they know I need to call this filter. With help of this filter, suppose in my application there is only one filter now, product log filter only. Okay. Now this filter came, and we are having, one second also, I do more practically so you will understand. Once again, filter request. I will do like this. Now you understand. Start of product log filter, correct? End of product log filter, correct?
Okay.
Same thing can we do here. Start of what is name, product filter. Take after this can we enough, correct? Can we do like this? Fine now? See, now our request came to filter. From filter it will hit, correct? This will print.
Yes.
This will print. Then something I did logging. Then I given my controller to go. Everything is okay. Now you go to where? Dispatch servlet. This is see. They are saying to go to next filter. It means go to next filter. Okay, simple. Filter chaining is saying go to next filter. But Spring will identify, in my project am I having next filter? They will say no, you are having only one filter. Now where I need to go? Now don't go for any other filter because I don't have. So
Yes.
go for the dispatch servlet. That Spring will identify. Okay?
Okay.
Now after dispatch servlet, something is there. I'll find out name, man.
Interceptor is there.
No, the interceptor is there, correct? Now you are at good terms. Interceptor is there, but before, see, in between of that, after dispatch servlet, before model something, we have interceptor as well. That is right.
Okay.
Before controller, so you are right. You got the yesterday image. That is very good. But the name I'm just forgetting. I need to look actually the name. Because they see nothing. Dispatch servlet take the help of that in MVC. I just told you the name, but maybe in my notes I have, but I don't know. In dispatch servlet, it took the help, nothing much. They see, you just directly assume like dispatch servlet will call which controller to go.
Okay.
That's it. Chalo. Now our system will now Spring will identify which controller to go with help of the dispatch servlet. Correct? Then our flow will be as it is. Go like this, and then come back. This, then goes to dispatch servlet. From again to filter 1, or the filter 2. So once this filter 2 task done, then this will print. Again come back to suppose this one, and then this one will print.
Okay.
Okay. Now I show you what was the question. Our question was which one will be first or second. Okay. For there we have annotation @order.
Okay.
Suppose I want to make this order one, product auth filter, and log I want to make @order.
So what should be the best practice in the industry, that which filter we have to give order first and which we have to order?
Order, you are saying which order to make?
Yeah, I mean in the industry, what is the best practice, that which order we have to give for
what? Huh?
which filter we have to give order 1 and then
See, it's completely up to scenario. It does not matter.
For example, give any practical example which you remember.
See,
which you might have implemented during your professional life.
Correct. See, generally our filter most of the time we never use the filter.
Okay.
Custom filter you rarely implement. Maybe just
Okay.
for the logging you implement. That's it.
Okay.
Or suppose you need something.
आज मजा नहीं
हाँ जाना है बेटा.
क्या
Okay.
Okay.
So for the centric purpose only, we are having the filter. Now see, I am just showing the order, correct? Now
Mhm.
Spring will know from client to first filter, the order one, whatever they mention, then second filter, then dispatch servlet, then it goes like this. Let's see now.
Let's say if we have to create our own web application, so what do you think that which order filter do we have to keep first? Authentication or logs?
No. First we use like log.
Logs.
Logs means what? See, this is not a one log. Here, what our log is doing? Our log is just looking for the request and response.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose something you want after all has to be done, like a product card and everything has to be done. You want to do something. Okay.
Okay.
At that time, what you suppose you're creating one filter. So completely filter is on your scenarios depending. But what we use mostly, mostly we use filter for the logging, or the second thing is Spring security most of the time.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Chalo, we'll print. We'll run it. Let's delete it. Okay. See. First log happen. Log. Start up
Yeah.
logging log filter.
Yeah.
Log filter I'll go. Log filter, these two printed. Then start up the product filter. Correct? See, after this, it comes to here.
Yes.
And it goes to another filter.
Okay.
It delegated their work to another filter.
Okay.
Now this controller is waiting. This filter is waiting. To get the call back, this filter is waiting kind of. Now goes to auth filter. Now auth filter, start of the auth filter. Correct? Now,
Understood.
now once the task has been done, this help from here we go to our dispatch servlet, then controller, then service, and then DAO, and after that then everything is the response we got, then this one came. Okay. If you see one more thing, I'll show you. One more thing I need to show you. Where service. Where is service? You see the service? Here. Service. Then you will identify, because I did not log anything, na? Then you will identify. See, this order is very important to get you more clarity. Now I clear everything. Now I run it again. Correct? There I created wish list. Man. I added in a product card and created the wish list. Wish list controller. Where is wish list controller?
Down.
Here we need to log, na? Here we need to log. I made. Chalo, suppose like this I printed. See, I am hitting. Correct? See now. First log filter, these two, log filter, these two printed, correct? Then it goes to filter chain. It did not print to here, goes to filter chain. Okay? Then it goes to auth filter. If auth filter everything working, auth filter given their controller to dispatch servlet. Then dispatch servlet this printed. You go to image now. Dispatch servlet this printed.
Okay.
After that, while the returning, again it will come to filter. After printing, again it goes to first filter. Hey, I am done. It will say, hey, I am done, product filter. And again it will come to log. Log will say, I am done. See the order.
Okay. Yeah. Understood.
Thank you. Got now?
Yeah.
So this is our filter and filter chain. Any doubt? Anything?
No.
And this is one of the, you may say, heart of the Spring application.
Okay.
Okay. Chalo, now we'll start the, till here we maybe push. Let's see status. What is the branch for this? I need to create a new branch now, or it's fine. Okay, if I do the same thing, you can get by commit ID, na? Fine, na? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay, na? So,
You have committed.
no, I'm just committing, I'm just asking you.
Yeah, committed. No problem.
No, because I want every topic to be like separated, so you can get based on the commit
Yeah.
ID,
Yeah.
na?
No issue. No issue. Commit and good.
Get.
You don't use UI for commit and push. You like CLI only.
Yeah, most of the time actually only the conflict comes now, then only I just do. Otherwise the, because conflict like you need several times to invest now. This is like used to mention log actually.
Okay.
Otherwise generally I use this source tree in office and everywhere. Otherwise the lot of tools is there, but source tree I just use, otherwise no.
Okay.
Okay. So chalo, what you are doing? Just forgetting. Now we start the journey of whatever you were saying, the spring really, the restful, your magical things. Fine, huh?
Yeah.
This. So till here, we start now the REST API, exactly what you wanted.
Okay. So you'll cover the CRUD operation in the REST API, right?
Yeah, everything, yeah, don't worry. CRUD means you will see a lot of deep, not only CRUD.
With S2 database also, and do we have a database connectivity?
Yeah, I
Any
have.
dummy database connectivity?
We have. Don't worry, we see several things. So
Okay.
don't worry. This is we see multiple ways. We see the JDBC, we see the JPA.
Without database also and with S2.
Okay, you want to see without database as well, CRUD application.
Without also there is no problem. If
No. No.
because,
See, without database, you cannot create the good application. Na?
yeah, without database we cannot create a good application.
So obvious will see. Don't worry. Obvious will see. So how was till now? You understood? Okay, after the session we'll understand how you feel this many things and all. You keep on updating me, na? If you anything need to be added, anything need to be removed, just feel free.
Okay.
So we'll start the. Okay, I'll create a new project here only. Here if I do it's fine, na?
No, create a new project. No?
Okay, sure.
Anyways, we have.
Fine. Oh, not this now. We'll go to Spring Initializer. From there, I'm just creating. But again, we need to add the Maven, what is the Lambok and everything again. Okay, chalo fine. Web, first thing, web. Okay, that's it, na? For now.
Yeah. No, take Lombok also. Lombok is also there.
Lambok they have now. They have added Lambok. And generally I do like there only. Yeah.
LOM.
Oh, they have now. Earlier they don't have. So I was using only mostly now till now. This is
GPS
this will work. This is or any other dependency also needed, it will work. Okay, let's try maybe.
JP.
No, JP. No. I'm not adding JPA and JDBC right now. We'll do later.
Okay.
Before that, several things, yeah. Don't worry. Why are you jumping so far? Okay, so Spring. What I'm just thinking. If I have to, what I'm just thinking. Where is that? Where is that? And this is your repo, okay? And here two application I created. So what I'm just thinking, this is our Spring core, correct? And this is your root in Git, in Bitbucket, in Git there is your root core, and there is another application. If I create again, okay, I can copy paste here, na? I can copy paste, right? So it won't be issue. Spring REST artifacts, it's called Spring REST tab, jar 17, all good. Maven, okay.
Take YML if you want.
Yeah, fine, either. We are not deploying right now, no? We are not going on a Docker and everything. Once we start a Docker and all, no, we'll do this one. Don't worry. Either is fine. Maven is there, that is fine. Java is there, okay, all good. Chalo, 1 second. Copy. Actually, here I need to again do paste. Now here I need to integrate. Open. This one is there, the rest. Okay. Working now or any issue? Lambda will work. 80 is already there. Either I'll kill or maybe I'll add there, no issue. Where is that? Application as property getting. Fine. Okay. Working fine. Okay. Chalo, it's all good. Okay. Now Spring REST. Just removing. So now we are having two kind of things. First one, controller. Second one, REST controller. Okay, now you tell me the difference between both, and till now what we covered.
Controller, REST controller, I have told you earlier. You said that, I said wrong.
What was that? I forget actually.
I said that the controller, basically the request body in controller can be anything, a response and request body. But in case of REST controller, the request body, whatever you give, the format of request body, it should be the same, whatever it comes into the response body. Is it wrong?
That's I'm just thinking actually what he's saying. Okay, maybe. Chalo. So see, in Spring, correct? We have two ways to create our controller. Controller is what?
Which controls the whole program.
you may say it's kind of center point, okay,
Yeah.
where we'll get the request. That's it. And controller has to be dumb. Service has to be logical.
Okay.
Correct?
Controller will be acting as a dumb and
Dumb.
service as a business logic.
Yeah. Right. Got it? So now I am just going in a practical way. Till now controller we are using as a view and JSP and our HTML template to rendering the UI, and REST controller we can use either XML or JSON. Okay. So
Controller, yeah, what you said, XML and JSON for REST.
for the REST controller. For REST,
XML and JSON. And for
controller we can use, we see to render, the purpose of this one to render what we want to render. Here we have to render either JSON or XML. Here we have to render some view. Get
Okay.
that? Get that?
Okay.
Or again, now coming to your point. Again, if you want to, still you are like in Hindi, jiddi person. You know jiddi person?
So controller, yeah, what I said is that the controller, whatever request you are going to give, the same it is going to come. But in the rest, whatever you are going to give, it can convert into any other format also. I said this, na?
Maybe one point it's right.
Okay,
Maybe
now
another point it's wrong. But ultimately, leave it. So, what I was just saying, our REST controller is nothing but a kind of annotation top of the
Okay.
controller,
Okay.
which serve for the JSON and XML client. Okay, with help of what? With help of the Jackson.
Okay.
With the help of the Jackson, they help. Again, if I go to deep dive the Jackson, you will again get confused. So you read about the Jackson Spring. See. This serve the JSON. Okay.
Okay.
With help of the Jackson, this is all written on. See, if you go to deep drive, na, again it will be like more. So you read in your terms. Na? I just
Okay.
telling you. JSON is converting by the Jackson. That's for the simple. You understand what's Jackson, what a JSON, how it's converted, and all those. In interview, people will ask. Okay?
Okay.
So you go to that. Otherwise, Spring Boot is not such capable to convert in a JSON. They took the help of the Jackson. And still Jackson is there since long. You know, Jackson is there in a servlet since long.
Okay.
And without Spring also, early in the days, Jackson was there to convert in XML and JSON.
Okay.
Then later Spring came and then they adopted and all. Then the story as it is. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Since we are starting the Spring Boot now and the REST APIs, we should understand the first annotation. Okay.
Okay.
Now you tell me what's annotation.
Annotation is a way of addressing
Addressing for what?
addressing the class.
Okay. You must see now. See, can we create annotation in Java? Can we make annotation in Java without using anything? Simple Java.
Yeah, auto-wired we use override we use. Yes.
I asked for the Java, not for the Spring Boot.
No, for OOPS concept we use the override function for in operator overloading. And
Right, almost right. So this is what? This is kind of annotation. Okay.
yeah.
So what purpose they serve? Annotation help. See, annotation is nothing but all the method has been wrapped there. Okay. And
Okay.
just we given like this you can do it with help of this. Simple. Okay, kind of shortcuts you may say. Okay. Now we'll start. Spring annotation, and you were curious about to know about this, and I'll use few annotation. Okay, and you were having several questions in that time in beginning, but till now I just made you to just wait to come to this point. Before that we have gone through several things. Now I just starting this all annotation and Spring, because in Spring Boot we'll go to most of the time annotation only. Okay, so few annotation we use more often. I'll explain you and what's purpose, how they serve and all. Okay,
Okay.
the topmost and first one is the component. You aware about the component?
Yes.
What is that? For what purpose?
For
What component does? Component at the rate component. Suppose I created a, suppose like this, maybe that is there.
it provides a functionality, or you can say
See,
it is an interface.
that is fine. But Spring knows actually this is the topmost annotation, you may say.
Okay.
Create as a bean for Spring. Okay, every annotation which help us to create a bean must be inherited from the component only.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah. To create a bean, we require caret component.
correct. That is why I just took the first one as a component. Okay, now I am going to second. You got it now?
Yes.
Second, controller. Third, repository. This we use often. There is like multiple, but whatever we just use, we are explaining those more often used, 80-90% time. Component, controller, repository, and then maybe REST controller. REST controller I'll take. Okay, REST controller @service. Okay.
Okay.
These many used for the creating. For what?
For creating a CPI.
Array, where are you going? This many used for the creating bean, not for the REST API.
Okay.
Now I'll make it separate. Creating bean. Okay.
Okay.
See, I'll go one by one. Component. I'll create one class. Class is suppose maybe, let's see, doctor appointment. I'll do suppose the moment I write it here component. Correct? Means this is the topmost annotation to create a bean in Spring.
Okay.
Okay, Spring will create raw bean for this. The moment I do controller, okay, same thing. If I go inside the controller, if you see component is there. If I do, what third was there? Repository. If I do repository, see here, everywhere you find component. Got my point?
So instead of writing component,
Wait.
because component is performing component is basically in all the other REST annotations.
Not REST. All the Spring annotation which helps to create a bean.
Okay, all the other annotations which helps to create the bean.
Exactly,
So,
right.
I mean to say then component is required wherever component is required. In that case, only component interface is going to be there, right?
Right.
Let's say for DAO, data access. In that case, we generally use repository. So it components comes inbuilt into the repository, right? Or you can say it acts as a part of repository.
Correct. Good catch. Go ahead.
Okay, but that is only I mean.
Okay. Now I think you will ask a good question as well, but you stop it. So I thought you will ask why we are using at the repository. Cannot use at the component. I thought you were
Yeah.
supposed to ask this question, but you stopped.
Yeah.
You should ask this question. So see, we.
It
What?
repositories contain apart from component, there are also other uh, annotations.
See, see.
Go into the repository.
This is interface. Where I go?
This is the last.
Last, where I go? Interface.
Oh, okay.
Now, are you clear what I'm just trying to say? Are you clear?
Yeah, your question is a valid question.
No, that was your question.
Yeah, my question, but unfortunately, I was not able to ask.
Fine. Go ahead.
Yeah, so
Okay, let me
why
get.
we use repository? Repositories are the centralized.
Why you go in a bookish knowledge? Why you depending on other people thinking? Believe on your thinking. Okay?
Okay.
Believe on your thinking. Repository is nothing. They are just using at the component, nothing other component. Or you know, all of these things, all of these serving same purpose. As you saying for database, we are using repository. We can use at the service as well. No issue. Big silence.
Yeah.
Why? Why my question is like why I use at the repository in DAO layer or any database connection? Can't we use at the service?
No, service contains the business logic. No?
Yeah, that is right. That is right. But as per Spring, even service is creating bean, even at the repository is creating bean, even at the controller is creating bean, even at the component is creating bean.
Yeah.
So why I use at the repository?
For naming convention.
Nah. Now you got the question which you supposed to ask. You got the answer.
Okay.
You corrected your frame. You corrected your sentence just for the naming convention.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
From today onwards, you clear. Because see, you suppose on this project, suppose I'm just taking one project ABCD. You are not the only person who is working on ABCD.
Mm-hmm.
There is like apart from you, there is like 5-6 developer will be working on at least one microservice with you.
Okay.
Okay. Suppose you are working. I'm just talking about the one payment application like Paytm. Okay. So you will be part of the onboarding service only. Suppose in microservice environment. You will be just talking about the onboarding. What's the payment happened? You never look. What transaction happened? You never look. You just roll to onboard new people. That's it.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yes.
So suppose on application, suppose I'm just owner of the one onboard application MS. Okay. And in repository, suppose it's once the new user came, I had to insert in a database. So rather than adding at the repository, I created annotation at the service. Okay. For me, I know the performance, the functionality is same, everything same. I know, but in same company, as a person, you cannot work like throughout the life. One day you have to resign, either today or tomorrow or any day.
Okay.
Nah? Right or wrong?
Right.
Right. Suppose you resign and some people came. They are understanding, they are going through your code and they are understanding there is service he has written and the connection for database, how it's coming, from where it's coming, what is the link and all. So confusion will be created. Got the scenario?
Mm-hmm.
So for that purpose only is Spring created based on the generic. Whatever the name, you serve that one. Till here all are same.
Okay.
Now REST control is different. That we'll see. Correct?
Yeah.
that I am adding as a bean. Okay, this I am taking last. First, whatever we covered till now, I am just picking those. Leave it. Okay. Now, dependency injection. These were the annotation. Okay,
Yes.
which we already covered. But since in a REST we have to use multiple times, I'm just recording all those things. @ @AutoAdd. You know about this?
Yeah.
Correct? @qualifier. Aware about this?
Yes.
@primary. Aware about this?
Yes.
Qualifier, @AutoAdd, primary, and you may say this as well for one of dependency. This value value we used yesterday or day before yesterday, you may say. Remember, from the configuration file we are just picking the value. Okay, for having some kind of dependency to our variable, you may say variable dependency.
Okay.
Correct?
Okay.
Got my point?
Yes.
Now we use @configuration.
Yeah. Auto enable component scan.
Component scan, and that is also right. We write as well. Component scan. Component scan. Configuration. For what purpose?
For configuration. Bean configuration.
@bean. For what purpose?
To create Spring Bean.
That is right. See, @configuration we write like as we do top of our controller, we write @component. Same thing we can use. They both are same. If you see @configuration, component they are using. Take using that configuration. They are using component. Hello, Sajid.
Yeah. My battery was low. I just plugged it.
Okay. I thought lost network. So got it na? @configuration. When we create our own configuration file, we top of the configuration file we write @configuration. And to bean @bean, to our custom inside this configuration we creating the custom methods. Okay. For that class, to create a Spring IOC, Spring Bean, we making @bean. And component scan is what? For the scanning that specific component. From here, Spring Tool we know this has to be treated as a bean and all those things. Got it?
Okay. Yeah.
And what most was there? Okay, some bean life cycle. In bean life cycle, we had @post construct. Remember?
Yes.
We use and pre-destroy. That's it. Just will be there, but leave it. Okay. And while creating a bean, we have one more option. Creating the bean, we have @lazy. Got it?
Yeah. We missed the enable auto configuration in the component scan.
Correct. That is the right. Enable auto. Enable auto. Okay. and itself a big annotation is @spring boot
application.
this one. This is combination of three annotation.
Yes.
That one, remember?
Yes.
What combination?
Component. That is for configuration. No? Components enable auto config
Correct.
and configuration.
And component scan.
Yeah, and components.
Okay. Now
Yes.
we're moving to our latest, which we just covering, Spring MVC and all. Now this our way, Spring REST. Okay, here @REST controller @request mapping @get mapping @post mapping @delete mapping @patch patch mapping,
Yeah.
post put also put mapping. Okay, and @request body @request parent what else?
Path variable.
Path variable, correct. Path variable and
That's it.
path variable request. And top of that, if you see, multiple things is there, multiple annotation, like default value is there. Okay, and required
And correct
property.
ID is also there.
Wait. No, that
Generated
is the
value is there.
databases one, na? Required, and then required, and then required, comma default value, comma. No, this is like property. Default value. This will use actually. So default value and all those things. Apart from this, there itself will say. Okay.
Yeah.
What else? Tell me, what else we forget?
No, I think for HTTP, these are the only things.
So most of the time this will use.
Yeah.
And in AOP, which we have to start actually, AOP @aspect @before @after @around, this many. Okay,
Yes.
this many, and some validation as well, like I have to see maybe validation annotation, that we see, like @not null, how we write our own @not kind of, that we see. Okay, most of the cases we use this one.
Okay.
And if you come out with the databases, that is different. For scheduling, other thing is different, and for the caching and other things, once lot of things will become. But most of the time, till REST API, we have to use these many things.
Okay.
Correct? And any question about this annotation which you don't know, or which you see, this we to cover. Once we start this one, we'll cover. Okay, and this, after this one, we'll go to AOP. Okay, and after AOP, we'll go to interceptor, and then we'll start the database.
Okay.
Okay, so still to coming the database, we have a lot of things.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yeah.
We'll wrap it till here then today. Fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
And do practice.
Okay.
If you get any confusion anytime, just message. Huh?
Okay.
So and matlab, don't get like shy or anything. Just keep asking and do more practice as I said you yesterday only.
पापा मैं ये वाले पेन लगाऊं
Okay.
Okay.
बेटा.
See you then.
Yeah, I'm just pushing the. हाँ.
Push the code and share the video.
Yeah, video actually yesterday video is also pending. Let me
Yeah.
first